Hello, I'm in a 2015 Range Rover Evoque, and today I'm going to show you how to change your ambient light settings. So basically in the evenings you can have it set so like while you're walking up to your car it can shine a cool light down on the road with different colors. I think it's pretty cool, so mine's set on. To access that in your car, just make sure your vehicle's on, and then you're in your menu options here, and then we'll go to extra features, then ambient lighting. And then here you can change all these different light settings so they can be different colors, and then different times of day where it senses the lighting outside when you want these to activate. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I mean, you can play around with it and look at it in the evening. It's not dark right now. I don't know how well that would film anyways, but these adjust all that, and if you just don't like it at all, you can just leave it off. So it's whatever you prefer. I think it's cool though, so I'm going to leave it on. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.